Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to find Bitget wallet address. So if you also want to find Bitget wallet address, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bitget wallet application. You can see over here Bitget wallet is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to find the Bitget wallet address, all you have to do is tap on the wallet icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here your wallet has been opened. Here you'll be able to see your available balance. Right above it you'll be able to see your wallet address. If you want to copy it, simply tap on the copy icon that you can see right next to the address. At the top left corner you'll be able to see the option for my wallet. Tap on it. Now here also you'll be able to see your wallet address. If you want to copy this address, simply tap on the copy icon that you can see right next to the address. Now you can see over here your address has been copied. Now you can paste this address somewhere. For example, I'm pasting it in my notes. Simply tap on the plus icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now simply paste the address. Now you can use this address whenever you're trying to deposit the cryptos and stuffs. So that is how you find Bitget wallet address. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.